So this is my first ever YouTube video. I'm in the Formula 1, subjects plus this plus that, blah blah blah. Are you still learning tenses in a traditional way? Well then this video is for you. I have been gatekeeping this for years, but finally I'm disclosing it. I'm going to teach you a unique way of not learning, but understanding the tenses in a way that you will never forget. I'm going to start with simple present tense. Here I have a table and the sentence I'm gonna tell you is John drives a taxi. Here you can see the line which is present in the past, in the present, as well as in the future. Then what does it mean? We use the simple present tense in the past, in the present of course, and in the future too? No. It means that it is applicable in 3 of the times. Also in the past, in the present of course, and in the future. For example, you have a friend John and you're talking to him on call. Your mother is asking you, what does John do? You reply to her that John drives a taxi. After that, your mother also insists you that you should go to Canada. There are so many opportunities there and you plan to go there. Then, when you reach there, your aunt calls you and asks you, what does John do? You would say, John drives a taxi. And in future too, John drives a taxi because it's his job until he has a mind to change it, right? In the past, John drives a taxi. In the present, John drives a taxi. In the future too, John drives a taxi, right? It's his job. He would do that in the past, in the present, and also in the future. So, it is John's job to drive a taxi. He does it every day. Past, present, and future. Now, look at these examples. I live in New York, which is true in past, present, and future. The moon goes around the earth. We all know that. Moon is the natural satellite of earth. But it was moving around the earth when our parents were kids. It is moving around even now, and who knows in the future? Obviously it will. Until something. Now I tell you one habit. I do not work at night. In the past, I didn't. In the present, I am not. In the future as well. So it is applicable in 3 of the times, past, present, and future. Hope you understood this first phase of present tense. Now I'll talk about a sentence which is only applicable in the present and it makes it present tense. But it is only applied to now time. Now look at this sentence. Am I right? Tara is not at home. You are happy. Now look at this table right here. The bar, the action bar, I call it, it is only present in the present section. Why is it that so? Because the situation is now. Tara is not present at this time. Tara, for example, Tara is your sister. She is not at home right now, but she can be present all of the times. Past, present, and future. Who knows? Tara will be back at home in the future or was present at home in the past. Who knows about that? That's why I have not filled it with the action bar because the situation exists for now. Now look at this example. I am not fat. This means that I have a fast metabolism and I do not gain weight easily. So, is this applicable in past, present, and future? Of course it is. So, now your homework is that you have to write a routine in the simple present tense because it will include all the actions that you do on a daily basis. You wake up in the morning, you eat breakfast, you go to the gym, things like that you have to include in that daily routine. I make sure I need to check all of your daily routines, mention them in the comments. I will check all of that.